So, ladies and gentlemen, it's no mean feat to get third in this competition, and that person goes to the very deserving Stephen George from North. Well done, Stephen. Fantastic stuff. Third place getter.
Second place, National Excavator Operator Competition 2024 goes to...
Congratulations. High-fiving the fans as he comes on up to get his well-deserved second place. Congratulations all the way from Waikato. Give it up for the one and only Michael Bray. And ladies and gentlemen, of course, they'll get the kudos of being the winner of the 2024 National Excavator Competition Award. And the winner is none other. Drum roll, please. The winner is... Table Price Excavator Operator, CCT Excavator Operator.
Well, to be perfectly honest, I didn't think I'd be even in the top 10, so yeah, absolutely blown away. So first time here, amazing.
How did you feel out on the course?
Nervous as buggery, but today a hell of a lot better.
Yeah? Oh, nice. So you kind of worked your way into it. And come again next year?
Hopefully, going to win the regionals though, so I'll give it a good crack because I want to come back.
It was good. It was good. Good challenge. Good course. Good bunch of guys. Yeah, third. I was aiming for first, didn't quite happen. Choice pretty sharp.
Yeah, well, this is the first time in the Nationals for me, so I'll go back to the regions and give it my best there, and hopefully get to come back down and give it my best again.
Take a bit of pride.
I was just going to retire, but everyone says that I can't. So, yeah, we'll see. Yeah.
You're still the defending champion?
Might well be. Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.